Hello everyone. In this video, we will see more advanced filter option. In previous video, we use basic filter options. Now, the disadvantage of using basic filter option is we have to filter on one sheet and copy it to another sheet, which is very tedious job. But in this more advanced feature, we can filter the data in the same sheet itself. For example, I have this data and my criteria is written here, that is region north. Now how I can implement advanced filter option? For that, first of all, I have to click on data tab and then click on advanced. But before that, what are the three things we have to keep in mind? That is, this is my source data and I have some criteria, and third thing is that the location where I want to paste my data. Say suppose in this region I will paste my data. Now the three things are source, criteria and destination. Now let's see how advanced filter will work. First of all, I have to keep my cursor in between the data. After that, from the data tab, I have to select this advanced feature. Now see, it automatically select my data, that is list range. After that, I have to select the criteria range. I have to click here. Now I have to select with label, that is criteria and value is north. Again, this is disable option, copy to, because I want to copy on another location, not on the same location where my data is. For that, I have to click here, copy to another location, and now I have to select the location. Suppose I want to paste my filtered data here. After that, I'll click here on this button, and after clicking OK button, I'll get the result which satisfy my condition, that is region north. Now see, I have these 5 rows having region north only. So in this way, I can filter on the same sheet and paste the filtered data within the same sheet. Now let's see another example. Now see, I have 2 criteria, that is region and sales. For that, first of all, I have to keep my cursor in between the data and I have to click on this advanced feature. Now, criteria range. I have to click on this arrow for the selection of my criteria. After that, I have to select criteria with label. Now, I want to copy it to another location. I have to click here. Now I have to select the destination. Suppose I want to paste my data here only. Then I have to click OK. Now see, I got 2 rows which satisfy my condition. Even my both conditions, that is region is north and sales is pen. Now see, this record and this record. These 2 records satisfy my both the criteria. Now let's see some other examples. Now I want all the record whose price per item value is less than 500. So for that, first of all, I have to select data tab and after that I have to click on this advanced option. Now it will automatically select my table. I have to click on criteria. So I have to click on this button. After that, I have to select the criteria. I want all the record whose price per value per item less than 500. After that, I have to select the location where I want to copy the data. Suppose I want to copy my filtered data here. After that, I have to click OK. Now see, I got all the rows whose price per item value is less than 500. Now See last example. Now this time I want all the record whose date is greater than 13 March 2020. But this time I want to copy my filtered data on another sheet. For this, first of all, I have to select the sheet where I want to paste my filtered data. Suppose it's F5 and my data is on sheet F4. I want to implement filter on this sheet and will paste the result on F5 sheet. So first of all, I have to select the sheet where I want to copy the data, that is F5, and I'm going to select advanced option. Now I have to select range. I have to click on this button. Now this time I have to manually select the range because I'm going to paste filtered data on another sheet. So I have to select my range. Then I have to select the criteria. This one. After that, I have to just click OK. After clicking, copy to another sheet option. Now see, I have now all the records whose date is greater than 13 March 2020, and now my data is on different sheet, not on the same sheet. So in this way we can implement more advanced filter option. That's it for this video.